Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to post on Pinterest. So firstly sign in your Pinterest account, then to post on your Pinterest account, search any image. This is the first method. You search in Pinterest and save to your Pinterest account like technology. So you will find a list of images like this one. So just you need to click on save. Name your board. So create a board. You saved your first Pinterest, and if you want to save from any website, so just you need to open any website like Tech Pro Advice. So if you want to save this image to your Pinterest account, so you need extension to your Chrome account. So and open Chrome Web Store, type Pinterest, Pinterest save button. So click on it. Now click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. So now we have this Pinterest save button icon. Now refresh this website. So you will see this save button for Pinterest. Just click on save. You can save in this technology, or you can create another board for saving this image. I will select technology. If you want to see, so just click on see it now. So now as we can see this Pinterest and with resource. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method we can know how to post on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.